Hi everyone, blessed be. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a fillable bauble come witch's ball type of thing, using one of these. This is one that I used last year, and obviously you can just fill this up to make a Yule decoration, or you can use it to make a witch's ball, which will fit in with the season. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So first of all, I have pine cone. I like to use pine cones because it fits in with the season, and I'm just going to position that where I want it and have a look. So it'll look like that in there. Now, I do find it a little bit annoying when stuff moves around in the ball. So what I'm going to do is stick that on. So I'm just going to heat up my glue gun, and I'm going to get some herbs while I'm at it. Okay, so let's pop this in place. Just a tiny little bit of hot glue, like so, and that'll just hold that in position. So it'll stay like that. Then I'm going to add some different things to bring like good fortune and prosperity into the home. So I'm going to have some rosemary for protection, and I'm going to have some eggshell, which the lid was loose on. I'm going to add some rose petals for love, because I want the house to be filled with love this Yule season, and some lavender, because I put lavender in everything. I just love the smell of lavender. And I'm going to put a bit of sage in as well. This is just, if you're wondering where to get herbs from, these are just dried herbs from the supermarket. Chamomile for calming. So it's like I want the Yule period to be a restful time. So I'm just going to get those to go in there. Then I'm going to add some fake snow to fit in with the winter theme. I'll put some of this on the other half as well. Let's turn this off. Okay, so I've got all my herbs in there and my snow, and I'm just going to think about all the things that I wish for this Yule season. I want to have lots of fun and happiness, family around, lots of joy, and also rest and relaxation when we're on holiday. I just want it to be a nice, calm, peaceful Yule, and for the family to be protected. And then I'm going to join these two halves together like so, without spilling the contents. Ooh. And I'm just going to line that up. I'm going to take off this little thing that I used last year to hang this on the tree, because I'm reusing a refillable bauble thing. So I'm just going to give everything a bit of a shake around. So we've got all those lovely herbs mixed in with the fake snow, like so. And I've got a ribbon I'm going to wrap around. It's one that's designed to go on a Christmas tree, so it's got this little tie with it, like a little pipe cleaner twist tie type of thing, like that. I'm going to try and make sure that this doesn't come open by placing a little bit of glue along the seam at the bottom, like so. And I'm just going to smooth that down as best as I can. And I'm going to take a small piece of ribbon. I'm going for reds and golds because they're the colours of the season. And that piece of ribbon I'm just bringing around the edge like so. A little bit of glue there. And trim off the excess. Okay, so there's like this little ribbon glued around the edge too, and it's just extra reinforcement for that seam. And then I'm going to add a bell at the bottom, because I like to use bells a lot, so I'm going to add that on. So if I have a nice big blob of glue there, and then I can get my bell glued on. I'm just going to fold over that. Oh, can't fold that over. I'll just trim off the excess of the ribbon, the cord. I'm just going to make sure that's well glued in place. And I'm just blowing on the glue to help it dry off a little bit. And I want to sort of just press that down now that it's cooled and make it nice and tidy. So that will, once I've got rid of the excess glue, that'll hang down like so. And then I'm going to have a little bit of ribbon I'm going to add at the back to hang this up. And you can hang this on your tree. You can hang it by entrances to your home, like doors or windows. Let me just see if I can thread this through. Come on. There we go. I'm going to just tie that off. I'm going to bend this ribbon into position. I'm going to make it so the knot's at the bottom for this, and cut off the excess ribbon that's sticking up, just to make it look a little bit neater, like so. And that's how to make a Yule themed witch ball, and you can put this on your Yule tree. You can, like I said, hang it by doors or windows of your home to bring good fortune and protection to your home. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Blessed be, and bye for now.